Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making for you guys cornmeal porridge, and this was a request from a few of my subscribers. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this cornmeal porridge for you guys. Okay, so inside this pot I have 2.5 cups of water. I'm gonna wait for that to come to a boil, and to that I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and inside here I also have a half a teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of cornmeal, and inside this cup I also have 1.5 cup of milk. So I like to mix my cornmeal in milk and then pour it inside the pot with the water. You can mix it with water, you can mix it with milk, whatever your preference. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to mix this up, and I'm going to show you guys when I'm adding it to the hot water. You have to be careful, turn your stove down, because when it is boiling and popping, if that hits you, it burns really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, wait for my water to boil, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I finish this cornmeal porridge. Okay, so now my pot is boiling exactly the way I want it to. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour that mixture in, and then I'm going to stir it. So here goes my mixture. That's my cornmeal mixture. So you have to stir this continuously until it gets thick. If you stop stirring, then it's going to become lumpy and you cannot get those lumps out. So you don't want your cornmeal porridge to be lumpy, so you're going to continue to stir. At this time I'm going to turn my stove down on medium and just continue to stir until it thickens, and then you can turn it down a little bit lower between medium and low, and put your cover on and let the cornmeal cook. So you have to make sure your cornmeal cooks really well. So I usually cook mine for 45 minutes to make sure that that cornmeal is thoroughly cooked. So as you can see guys, it's getting a little thick, so I'm going to keep stirring. Because again, I don't want it to get lumpy, so you have to continue to stir. So I'm stirring in different directions just to make sure that I'm not missing any area. And again guys, it depends on how you like yours. If you like it nice and thick, if you like it I don't like this is runny, but again, it's just started cooking, so it's gonna get thicker. So it depends on what texture you want. You can measure your water after a couple tries, and you can see how it comes out. If it comes out the way you like it, then you can make your adjustments along the way. Okay, so now it is to where I want it. I'm gonna now turn my stove down a little bit more, and then I'm gonna let this cook, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys once it's done how I sweeten my cornmeal and how I serve it. Okay, all right, stay tuned. As you can see, it's coming along very nicely. This is about 10 minutes since I started it. I also went ahead and added a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you have the cinnamon sticks, you could use the sticks. I use the powder. So again, it's coming along very nicely, no lumps. So I'm gonna let it cook some more and thicken up a bit more. Okay, all right. Okay guys, welcome back. So my cornmeal porridge is ready. I'm gonna go ahead now and sweeten my porridge. I'm pouring in some condensed milk, and again, this is to your taste. If you like it sweet, if you like it not so sweet. So this part here, it depending on your tasting. Alrighty, so you can use the condensed milk. I'm gonna also put a little bit of sugar so it's not milky. So I'm gonna stir this in. So that was about a quarter of a cup of condensed milk. Again, it depends on your size pot and it depends on your taste. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in, and then I'm gonna taste it to make sure it's sweet enough the way I like it. And you want to mix this in very well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to taste it. Make sure. And you need to blow this because this is hot. Oh, perfect. Perfect taste. Yes, that's good. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead now and plate this out. So I'm gonna use my ladle. Okay, so I have that on my plate. And how I like mine with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. So I get a little bit of the cinnamon powder and I mixed it with some sugar and I sprinkle it on top. Hey guys, so there you go, my Jamaican cornmeal porridge, topped off with some cinnamon and sugar, alongside with some Excelsior water tough crackers. Again, let me know in the comment section if you try this recipe. Let me know if it came out for you. Again, don't forget to tell a friend that Angel Delight is cooking up some good stuff in her kitchen. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, guess what? You'll be the first to be notified. Again, enjoy that porridge and let me know how it came out for you. Don't forget to comment. Alright, see you in the next video.